Hi, good morning, friends. Today topic is methods of grinding objectives. Whereas methods of grinding with neat sketches. Methods of grinding. The most commonly used methods are external cylindrical grinding, internal cylindrical grinding, surface grinding, centerless grinding. External cylindrical grinding. It is used for finishing external cylindrical surface. See diagram. The operation works like that. External cylindrical grinding. This method involves the following motions: rotary motions for both the workpiece and grinding wheel, transfer motion for the grinding wheel to cover the entire length. Cylindrical grinding. The practical application diagram see in the monitor. So in internal cylindrical grinding, it is used for accurate finishing of the holes in a workpiece by a grinding wheel. Two rotary motions and one transfer motion are involved in this method. Internal cylindrical grinding, the practical diagram. Surface grinding. It is the process of producing flat surfaces on work which is passed against a revolving grinding wheel. See diagrams, both diagrams. One is the horizontal wheel head and another one is a vertical wheel head. Surface grinding, practical diagram. Form grinding. It is used for finishing formed surface such as gear, teeth, threads, splined shafts, spheres, etc. Grinding wheel is especially shaped to match the surface to be finished. Yeah, this is the formed grinding, grooved form shapes. The practical applications see on the diagram. Centerless grinding. In this process, the workpiece surface supported between grinding wheel and regulating wheel on work rest table. Yeah, see diagram closely and zoom work rest. Work rest. Yes. And summary. In this class we have learnt about different methods of grinding like external cylindrical grinding, internal cylindrical grinding, surface grinding, centerless grinding. Working principle involved in different methods is and frequently asked questions is a very important questions for external point of view. What are the different methods of grinding? Explain any two of them. Explain with a neat sketch the central